So, today, let's talk about unlocking the power of artificial intelligence without spending a single dime. Whether you're a student, a creator, or really just anyone looking to get a little more done, we're going to dive into the ultimate guide to the best free AI tools out there. You know the feeling, right? We've all been there. You've got this big project, an important essay, maybe a brilliant creative idea, but you're just stuck. That blinking cursor on a blank page can feel so intimidating. Sometimes even designing a simple graphic feels like a huge chore. But what if you had a secret weapon? Okay, think of this explainer as our project. Together, we're going to build you a powerful and completely free AI toolbox. Every single tool we cover is like a new instrument you can pull out to build, create, and solve problems way faster and more effectively than ever before. All right, first up, let's stock the compartment for writing and research. Now, this is for anyone who needs to turn those rough ideas into polished, well-researched work. Doesn't matter if it's an academic paper or a really compelling blog post. These tools will literally take you from that first little spark of an idea all the way to the final citation. So, who are the key players here? Well, you've got ChatGPT for that initial creative spark. Then there's Grammarly, which makes sure your writing is absolutely flawless. And for all that tedious citation work, Zotero has your back. Now, let's get into how you actually use them. Right, so when you're just getting started, think of ChatGPT as your brainstorming partner. Instead of just staring at the wall, you could ask it stuff like, hey, give me 5 potential outlines for an essay about the impact of social media. It's perfect for generating ideas, summarizing dense articles to get the main points, or just, getting some words on the page to break through that writer's block. Once you've got that first draft, it's time to refine it. And this is where Grammarly is just essential. Its free version is amazing. It goes way beyond a simple spell check. Sure, it catches grammar mistakes, but it also gives you suggestions to make things clearer, to fix your tone, and to get rid of awkward phrasing. It helps you turn a decent draft into something that sounds truly polished and professional. Now, for all the students and researchers out there, listen up. Zotero is an absolute game changer. Seriously, it's a lifesaver for managing your sources. You can save articles, books, and websites with a single click, and then it automatically creates perfectly formatted bibliographies and citations in whatever style you need, NLA, APA, Chicago, you name it. It just completely eliminates one of the most tedious parts of academic writing. All right, writing tools are locked in. Let's move to the next compartment of our toolbox. It's time to bring your ideas to life with some amazing tools for visuals and audio. And in this category, you've got some real heavy hitters. There's Canva, which basically makes graphic design easy for everyone. Then you have Descript, which completely changes the way you edit audio and video. And of course, DALL-E, which can create literally any image you can think of. This trio can handle pretty much any creative need you throw at them. I mean, the power you have here is just incredible. Canva's free version gives you thousands of professional templates for presentations, social media, whatever you need. But if you want a truly unique image, a tool like DALL-E lets you generate these stunning visuals just by typing a description. For example, that image of an astronaut riding a horse, that was created from that exact text prompt. The only limit is your own imagination. Video editing used to be so complex and expensive, but not anymore. Descript is a total revolution. It transcribes your audio, and then, get this, it lets you edit the video by just deleting words from the text, like you're editing a Word document. It's wild. For a more traditional editor, V.io is a great online option. And for those really advanced, artistic projects, the free version of Runway ML is an incredible creative playground. And if you think that was cool, this is where AI automation gets really impressive. Imagine you have a blog post or a script you've already written. Tools like Pictory or Lumen 5 can analyze that text and automatically create a short, engaging video from it, complete with stock footage, captions, and music. This is a massive, massive time saver for any content creator. Every great project needs those final pro-level touches. Need some background music for your video, but you're worried about copyright? Well, AI tools like SoundRaw can generate unique, royalty-free music tailored to the exact mood you want. And before you even start a visual project, using a mind mapping tool like MindMeister can help you visually organize your thoughts and really get those ideas flowing. So, we've filled our toolbox. But, having all the tools is one thing. Knowing how to use them together efficiently, that's what really unlocks their power. So this next part is all about creating a smart workflow to get the most out of your new AI assistants. Okay, let me walk you through a really strategic workflow. First, and this is important, always check the limits on the free plans so you don't get any surprises mid-project. Second, consolidate your notes. A tool like Google's Notebook LM is perfect for this. It lets you bring all the text outputs from different AIs into one place. Then, organize your tools by category: writing, image, video, and keep a little reference document with links so you can find them quickly. And finally, a little pro tip: combine smaller files into one master PDF before you upload them. It just makes AI processing so much smoother.
So there you have it. We've built the toolbox and we've learned how to use it. Now, really the only thing left to do is to get out there and create. The power of these tools puts the future of content and research and design directly into your hands.
And that, right there, is the most exciting part. This isn't just about working faster or being more efficient. This technology unlocks entirely new creative possibilities that, frankly, just weren't accessible to most people before. It's about empowering you to create the things you've only ever imagined.
So as we wrap things up, I'll just leave you with this thought. You now have a toolbox that is full of powerful, free AI assistants, and they're all ready to go. That blank page? It's no longer a barrier. It's an invitation. The only real question is, what will you create next?